Hello guys, welcome to my next video. I'll be showing you how to get mouse position. Hello guys, welcome to my next video. Here I'll be showing you how to get mouse world position in both 2D and 3D. Let's get started. Here this is a 2D scene. I set up my camera to size 10, Z to -10 and X and Y to 0. In here I have this sphere for the graphical to see if the mouse world position is working or not. Let's see. I will be using the script of CodeMonkey. I'll be using this script which was used. I'll be using this script which was made by CodeMonkey in his video how to get mouse position into 3D and 2D. Let's get see. First there is a private main variable camera for the main camera. Let's create it. Visual scripting. Script machine. New. Mouse position in 2D. First let's get the sphere variable here. We get transform and drag the sphere here. And next let's get the camera. Main camera, and let's see. Let's see what it does. First let's do this one, input that mouse position. Now let's see main camera to screen to world point. Drag this one here. Let's get our camera, drag this, set this up, drag this one. Let's see the other one. What this script does is he have assigned a vector 3 world mouse world position which is representing this one. Let's do it. Vector 3, let's drag it here. We don't want to get, we want to set variable, set object variable, object on. Drag this one and The variable we want to set is mouse hold position, and set this one. Let's see, he has set the Z to 0. Let's set this one too. Get variable, get object variable, the mouse hold position, set vector 3 set Z Z0, this one. Now let's see the other one. Now the transform dot position is equal to mouse hold position. What the transform of the sphere? He is setting the transform dot position world position to of the sphere. Let's set it. Set position, transform dot set position. Let's duplicate it. This position, and the object we want to is this one. Let's see if it's work. As you can see, it's working. This is how you do it. Now we will get how to do it in the 3D scene. This is 2D scene. Now we will see how to do it in 3D scene. Now let's do it for the 3D. I have set up here a build 2 cubes, layer default, one plane, layer ground, a sphere for the graphic, layer default. Now let's create empty, name it visual scripting. The camera is -5. This is by I have set by itself. Visual scripting, visual scripting, script machine. First set up the variables, the sphere, transform, sphere object, the main camera again, main camera, and set up this one. Let's see, a layer mask, type layer, and set to ground, which want to check the plane which I have set it the layer to ground. And let's also set this one the ray, or forget this one. Let's new script 3D mouse position. Let's see, input get mouse position. Mouse position, input get mouse position. Which is set to screen point to ray. Set this one to this one, and let's get the camera, get variable camera, and set this one, and to this, this. Let's see, ray, this one ray, raycast, this one, which have ray. We will get max distance and layer with layer mask, and no, this one I think, ray hit info and max distance and layer mask. Okay, so it was this one to this and this one to this, and layer mask and max distance 100. Let's get the hit info, get hit point, and set position, and this one to this. Let's check. As you can see, this is working, and let's check if the yes, because we have not set this one, we are only getting the hit point of the plane, so it will not check the building, as you can see. So this is how we do the 3D point. uh, if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and see you soon.